So this mat contains 90 questions and SAT also contains 90 questions. Now under this mat, again we have two kinds of things. One is verbal and the other one is non-verbal. Okay, while coming to verbal test, we have different types of questions. Of course, I am not going to write all the list, but here you can see certain types of things like classification and further you can see like analogy, and also you can have coding and decoding, direction sense, inserting missing characters, reasoning, operations, logical Venn diagrams, blood groups, etc. These are all different verbal type of things. On the other hand, in non-verbal also we have classification, series, analogy, incomplete figures, then embedded figures, dot fixing situations, folding paper cutting, analytical reasoning, water images, mirror images, cubes, dice, different kinds of questions we will see. There are so many questions related to this. Okay. And what about this SAT? Of course, you know that SAT means it is related with your regular subjects. And you will have physics, then chemistry. Of course, at school level, we don't deal it separately. We call it physical science. Both are same. Then biology. And then comes maths. And of course, in social studies, you can see four things separately like history, geography, and of course, political science and economics. Okay. Now, physics you will have for 12 marks, chemistry 11 marks, and bio 12 marks, and maths 20 marks, and history, and each one is like some 10, 10, 10, and 5. And like this, the questions will be given. Okay, total it will be for 90 marks. And in this 90 questions, you will have verbal and ability test. Okay. Net. Right. Mental ability. Right. From this, just we are talking about this, simply we are calling it MAT. Okay. Today we are going to talk about the sequence of numbers. అంటే మనకి యొక్క క్రమం ఇవ్వబడుతుంది. ఆ సంఖ్యల క్రమంలో ఏ నెంబర్ మిస్ అయింది, ఆ మిస్ అయిన నెంబర్ని మనము ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. అయితే జనరల్గా మనకి నెంబర్స్ 1, 2, 3, 4 ఇవి మనకి జనరల్గా తెలిసినటువంటిది, నెంబర్ సీక్వెన్స్ మనం నేర్చుకున్నటువంటిది. అయితే ఇప్పుడు మరి అడిషనల్గా అసలు ఎటువంటి నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి అని మనం చూసుకున్నట్లయితే, ఒకటి ఇచ్చినటువంటి నెంబర్స్కి ఇక్కడ మనం గమనించుకున్నట్లయితే ఈ నెంబర్స్ లో ఏం జరుగుతోంది అసలు అని అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే, యూ కెన్ సీ దట్ ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ సమ్ +1 ఈజ్ యాడెడ్ హియర్. You can see that every time +1 is added here to obtain the next number here. So +1 is followed. But it need not be +1 every time. For example, ikkada chudandi, I started with some 7, then I am going for 10, 13, then 16, and what will be the next number? So how do you identify what will be the next number here? What to do? You can type your answer in the chat box. You can type your answer in the chat box. Yeah, it is 19. Very good. Splendid answer. Actually, you can see what is happening here. 7 plus 3, and it is plus 3, and again plus 3. So next one also should be plus 3. That's so you can claim that the next number must be 19. Very good. So this is one kind of thing which you can observe. Now you just see the next one. I started with some number like 3, then 4, 6, 9, 13, and what will be the next number? Try it now. Good. Naga Chaitanya, fantastic. Can you explain why it is in the chat box? Yeah, very good. Keep going, keep going. Good, good. Go ahead. Right. Can any one of you tell me why it is 18? What is the logic in this? Yeah, splendid work. Can any one of you tell me what is the logic in this? Why it is 18? Everyone is typing 18, but can you tell me why it is 18? So what is here? You can see that this is +1. Yes, exactly. We are adding plus. Next we are adding +3, then +4. Then the next one should be +5. Fantastic. Fantastic. What you are saying is 100% correct. Very keep going. You are doing a splendid job. Okay. So it is 18. Okay. Now let us go for one more. Here you can see that suppose I am considering some number like 3. What should be the next number? Yes, here what we are doing here, we are considering multiples. They are simply multiples of 3. Means actually first we are starting with 3. Here you can see this is into 1, then into 2 times 3 times 4. So next one should be times 5. So that's how you can say it is 15, right? Good. Now let us go for one more. Now you try to find what will be the next number in this. Yeah, why 8? Can you tell me the logic in that? Why 8? So first we have to observe what is happening here. Now you see what we are doing here. First we are going for -1. Then next we are considering this is plus 3. Again, you can see it is minus 1. Then next it is plus 3. Again it is minus 1. Right? Very good. Geeta Sri, fantastic. Your logic is 100% correct. Simply you can say it is minus 1 plus 3 is the pattern. Yes, exactly. So next it should be like plus 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So the next answer is 9. Good. Now before going to talk about some other series, what are the different types of numbers we have? Like, of course, already you have seen uh, uh, natural numbers, and apart from that, now we have seen some patterns, and further you can see square numbers. You can talk about square numbers. What are the different square numbers? Can you list out the first 5 square numbers? Square numbers. అంటే మనం వర్గ సంఖ్యలు అంటాము. స్క్వేర్ నెంబర్స్ అంటే వర్గ సంఖ్యలు. చూడండి, వర్గ సంఖ్యల్లో 2 అనేది ఉండదు. 1 యొక్క వర్గము. స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ 1 ఈజ్ 1. స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ 2 ఈజ్ 4. మూడు యొక్క వర్గము 9. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమొస్తున్నాయి నెంబర్స్ 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 ఎట్సెట్రా. వీటిని మనం ఏమంటాము? దే ఆర్ కాల్డ్ స్క్వేర్ నెంబర్స్ లేదా వర్గ సంఖ్యలు అంటాం. ఇట్ విల్ కంటిన్యూ లైక్ దట్. నెక్స్ట్ అలాగే క్యూబిక్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ క్యూబ్ నెంబర్స్ అనుకోవచ్చు మనం. క్యూబిక్ నెంబర్స్ ఏముంటాయి? మనం ఘన సంఖ్యలు అంటాం. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏముంటాయంటే 1 క్యూబ్ అంటే 1, 2 క్యూబ్ అంటే 8, 3 క్యూబ్ 27, 4 క్యూబ్. 4 క్యూబ్ అంటే 4 into 4 into 4, 64, right? Then 5 cube అంటే 125. Then what is 6 cube? 6 cube. 6 into 6 into 6 is how much? I want your answer in the chat box. I'm waiting for your answer. Yeah. Now, now you can see that 6 cube is 216, correct? What is 6 cube? It is 216. 7 cube also some of you wrote. 7 యొక్క ఘనము 343, correct. Yes. Okay. సో ఇక్కడ మనము స్క్వేర్ నెంబర్స్ అంటే వర్గ సంఖ్యలు, తర్వాత క్యూబిక్ నెంబర్స్, ఘన సంఖ్యల గురించి మాట్లాడుకుందాం. ఓకే, స్క్రీన్ ఇప్పుడు కనిపిస్తుందా? ఈజ్ ఇట్ విజిబుల్ నౌ? Okay, good. So actually sometimes the network issues and all, it may be difficult, but okay, let us move ahead. ఇవి కాకుండా మీకు ఏమైనా సంఖ్యలు తెలుసునా? ఇవి కాకుండా మీకు ఏమైనా ఇంకా సంఖ్యలు తెలుసా? Do you know any numbers other than square numbers and cubic numbers? మనం న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్, హోల్ నెంబర్స్, ఇంటీజర్స్, రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ తెలుసు. స్క్వేర్ నెంబర్స్, క్యూబిక్ నెంబర్స్ కాకుండా. Did you ever? Yes, very good, fantastic. Even number. Okay, what are even numbers? Can you tell me? What are even numbers? అంటే మనం తెలుగులో అయితే సరి సంఖ్యలు అంటాం. సరి సంఖ్యలు. ఓకే, 2, 4, 6, 8 ఎట్సెట్రా. సరి సంఖ్యలు అంటే మనము 2తో డివైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు రిమైండర్ 0 ఇచ్చేటటువంటి సంఖ్యల్ని మనము సరి సంఖ్యలు అని చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. When you divide with 2, you get remainder 0. అదే విధంగా ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ అంటే బేసి సంఖ్యలు అంటాం మనం. ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ అంటే మనం ఏమంటాం, వాటిని బేసి సంఖ్యలు అని చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. బేసి సంఖ్యలు అంటే ఏమొస్తాయి మనకి? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 ఎట్సెట్రా. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఈ బేసి సంఖ్యలకి ఏంటనమాట, వెన్ వి డివైడ్ ఇట్ విత్ 2 లీవ్స్ రిమైండర్ 1. అంటే 2 చేత భాగించినప్పుడు శేషము 0 ఇచ్చి ఇవన్నీ కూడా సరి సంఖ్యలు, 2 చేత భాగిస్తే శేషం 1 ఇచ్చేవి బేసి సంఖ్యలు. ఇంకా ఆల్రెడీ మీరు చెప్తున్నట్టుగా ఏంటంటే ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ అండ్ కాంపోజిట్ నెంబర్స్ అంటే వాటిని మనము ప్రధాన సంఖ్యలు మరియు సంయుక్త సంఖ్యలు అని చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. మరి ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ ఏముంటాయి? ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 ఎట్సెట్రా. ఇవి ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్. ఓకే, 1 is not a prime number. Remember, 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Prime numbers అంటే ఏంటనమాట? which have only 2 factors. Only 2 factors. ఏంటవి? 1 and itself. అంతే కదా? అంటే the number and 1 itself, 2 factors. Okay, if they have factors other than that, then they are called composite numbers. ఆ composite numbers ని మనం ఏమంటాము? కాంపోజిట్ నెంబర్స్ ని ఏమంటాము? సంయుక్త సంఖ్యలు అని చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. 49 is not a prime number. 49 is not a prime number. Some of you are typing 49. 49 can be written like 7 into 7. So its factors are, you have some other factor. So it is not a prime number. Remember. Okay. Good. So you have a very good idea about all these things. Do you have idea about triangular numbers? Did you ever heard of it? అంటే త్రిభుజ సంఖ్యలు అంటాం వాటిని. వాటిని త్రిభుజ సంఖ్యలు అని చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ త్రిభుజ సంఖ్యలు అంటే ఏంటంటే మనకి ఆ పేరులోనే ఉంది చూడండి, ఒక త్రిభుజాన్ని ఏర్పరిచేటటువంటి సంఖ్యలు త్రిభుజ సంఖ్యలు. అంటే దే ఫార్మ్ ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్. ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫామ్ చేస్తాయి కాబట్టి వాటిని మనము త్రిభుజ సంఖ్యలు అని చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. అంటే వీటిని చేసేటప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది అనమాట, మనకి ఒక ఆ సంఖ్యలతోటి ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఫామ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఎలాగంటే చూడండి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక పాయింట్ తీసుకున్నాను 1. అదేవిధంగా ఈ రకంగా దిస్ ఈస్ 3. See the formation of a triangle every time. Okay. Next one is next one is 10. 1. You can see one interesting fact in this. What is that? Simply what you have to understand here is what is the pattern followed. You have to observe. What is the pattern here? You observe. Even in this you can see here, this is +2, this is +3, this is +4. That's so you can see 10 here. Correct. So what will be the next one? Naturally +5 is the next one, so it will become 15. Okay. The next one will be +6, that is 21. So the numbers are 1, 3, 6. Okay, we will do one thing. I think 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, etc. ఓకేనా. ఇదే విధంగా మనకి ఏంటంటే మనకి we can talk about pentagonal numbers, hexagonal numbers, ఇలాగా ఆ సంఖ్యల గురించి కూడా మనం చెప్పచ్చు. ఇవన్నీ కూడా డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్ ప్యాటర్న్స్. ఇంకా అదే విధంగా యూ కెన్ ఈవెన్ టాక్ అబౌట్ ఫిబొనాకీ నెంబర్స్. అంటే ఈ పేర్లు గుర్తు లేకపోయినా పర్వాలేదు, వాటి గురించి ఎక్కువ ఆలోచించకండి. జస్ట్ నెంబర్ ప్యాటర్న్ ఎలా ఉంది, అవి ఏ రకంగా ఉన్నాయి గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్నట్లయితే కనుక యూ కెన్ సీ. మనకి చూడండి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ పేర్ల గురించి ఎక్కువ టెన్షన్ పడకండి, పేరు గుర్తు లేకపోయినా పర్వాలేదు. జస్ట్ మీకు ఏంటంటే ఆ నెంబర్స్ గుర్తుంటే చాలు. సో వాట్ ఆర్ దోస్ ఫిబొనాకీ నెంబర్స్ మీన్స్ 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. ఇట్ విల్ కంటిన్యూ లైక్ దిస్. అయితే వీటి ప్రత్యేకత ఏంటి అని మీరు చూసుకున్నట్లయితే, వీటి యొక్క ప్రత్యేకతని ఎవరైనా చెప్పగలరా? ఈ ఫస్ట్ 2 నెంబర్స్ అనేవి ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఈ ఫస్ట్ 2 నెంబర్స్ జనరల్ గా ఉంటాయి. దీని తర్వాత ఉండేటటువంటి ఏదైతే ఉందో ఈ 2 నెంబర్స్ ని యాడ్ చేసిన మూలంగా ఈ నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ వస్తూ ఉంటుంది. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 0, 1 ఫస్ట్ 2 నెంబర్స్. 0 + 1 is 1. Again you add these two numbers. 1 + 1 is 2. Again you add these two numbers. 1 + 2 is 3. Next 2 + 3 is 5. So next one will be 3 + 5. That's so you get 8. Okay. Then next number is not 12. Check it. 5 + 8. 5 + 8 is 13. Very good. Okay. Na? 5 + 8 is 13, not 12. What will be the next one? Can you go for a guess? Yes, fantastic. It is 21. Okay. These are called Fibonacci numbers. As I said earlier, okay, don't bother much about the names. Just if you can remember how the series is formed, it is more than enough. Right? Now, we will go for some more examples. Now, let us see. Now, I will give you some problems. Now, you try to solve. Already, whatever we discussed, it will be based on that. 4, 9, 25 dash 121, 169, then 289, 361, etc. Okay, what is this missing number? What is the missing number and why? 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 What is the pattern that is followed here? Can you elaborate? Anybody? Yes, of course, 49 is correct, undoubtedly. But why 49? Can you tell me the reason for that? You try to elaborate why it is 49. Yeah, they are squares of prime numbers. You observe, already we know that 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. are prime numbers. Okay. Now you just simply observe their squares. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 5 square is, here you can see 2 square is 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, 7 is missing, 11 square is 121, 13 square is 169, 17 square is 289, 19 square is 361. So it should be, what is missing here? 7 square is missing. That's how you can say it is 49. Got it? Very good. As a matter of fact, all of you are doing a splendid job. You are understanding it very quickly. Now, let us move ahead with the same kind of spirit. Now, let us try the next one. 7, 10, 8, 11, 9, 12. Then what will be the next number? Yeah, why 10? Again, okay, your answer is correct, but just don't focus on only the answer. You have to give me the reason. Okay, you can understand this. Already I discussed such type of thing. First one is here, you can see this is plus 3, then this is minus 2, again plus 3, then minus 2, plus 3. So next one should be minus 2. Okay. So 12 minus 2 is 10. That's how you get 10. This is one kind of approach. Even you can understand the same in one more way. I want to show you the other way also. It is like you can feel like alternate series. You see 7, 8, 9. This is one series. And here you have one more like 10, 11, 12, etc. is another series. Means two series are mixed in this. 7, 8, 9. So 7, 8, 9 is one combination alternate. So it should be 10. And what will be the next one? It is 14. Okay. Like this, we can continue. This is another way of approach for understanding that. Okay. Good. Now let us go for one more. 3, 7, 15, 31, 63. What will be the next number? Yeah, you try to find out. Next number I'm asking. And why? So here, what is the sequence that is followed? It is into 2 plus 1. So 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Then again, you can see 7 into 2, 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 into 2, 30 plus 1 is 31. 31 into 2, 62 plus 1 is 63. So next one should be 63 into 2, 126 plus 1, 127 is the correct answer here. 127 is the correct answer, right? Yeah, into 2 plus 1 is the sequence that is followed here. Okay. I hope all of you understood this. I think now we can move ahead to the next one. 14, 28, 20, 40, 32, 64, and what will be the next one? Yeah, I want the reason or the explanation. You may go for any answer, but it should be conveyed after understanding the logic. What is the logic you adopted? That is what I want, not mere answer. You explain it with the logic. So remember that whatever the principle you are saying, it should be applicable throughout, just not for one or two numbers. For example, some of you are saying into 2. 14 into 2 is 28. But 28 into 2 is 56, which you don't find there. There you have only 20. Right? Yes. Okay, now some of you already identified it, it seems. First, we are going for into 2, 14 into 2, 28. Next, it is minus 8. Again, 20 into 2, 40. Minus 8 is 32. Again, into 2 is 64. So next should be minus 8. So 64 minus 8 is how much? Yes, fantastic. Minus 64 minus 8 you want. It is, I'm not getting any reply from your end. Yes, right? What about others? I can see only one answer. Yes, yes, come on. Keep going. Fantastic, right? So, so I think now you understood how we have to think about a problem related to this. Now let us go for one more question. 101, 98, then comes 93, then 86, then comes 75. Then what will be the next number? Try. 101, 98, 93. Is it 121? How? Jyotsna? Okay, you people are giving different answers. You better think about the logic and explain me why. That is more important in this. What you are doing and how you are reaching that answer. Yes, some of you already gave it there. Yes, you can see. First you observe 101 to 98 means minus 3. Then 98 to 93 is minus 5. Then 86 to 93 is minus 7. Means from 93 if you subtract 7 you are getting this. Then this is minus 9, right? No? What happened here? 86, 75, it is 11. Why? Then here you can see 3, 5, 7. Where is 9 then? Where is minus 9? Good, good, good. Okay. So remember that here we are considering the difference of prime numbers. Of course, every time no need to start with 2, 2, 3, 5, 7. You can see 3, 5, 7, 11. So next should be minus 13. So you can see the answer is 62. Very good, fantastic. So it is subtracting prime numbers gradually so that we are getting that sequence. Okay. Now let us try to understand one more. 4, 18, dash, 100, 180, 294, and next comes 448. Try this now. As usual, you have to tell me the reason. Is it minus 2 or plus 2? Tejasri. Okay. Then is it applicable for the next one? Check it once. Whatever you say, it should be applicable for all the numbers. It has to be applied for all the numbers, not for one or two. You please check that. Is it applicable for all the numbers? Okay, let me see. It is interesting. Who is going to crack this problem? Let me see. I'm getting different answers, but I want everything with explanation. Is it simply plus 2? In between 256? Is it square of the number plus 2? Yeah, good. Square of the number plus 2 means 4 into 4, 16 plus 2, 18. Okay, for these two, it is okay. Next, 18 into 18 plus 2. Are you going to get this? Again, this number will be very large. Into plus, this will become very large. So, that is not the correct logic. So, you try something else. Come on. Okay, let me see who is going to solve this. This is quite interesting. Can you take this? You observe. First one is 1 into 2 square. Second one is 2 into 3 square. Third one will be 3 into 4 square. 4 square is 16. 16 into 3, 48. Then is it applicable for others? You check 4 into 5 square, 100. Then 5 into 6 square. 6 square is 36. 36 into 5, 180, right? The next one is 6 into 7 square. The next one is 7 into 8 square. 64 into 7. 448, correct? So you can see that this is the logic which is applied here. So it is almost like n into n plus 1 whole square is the formula used in this. It is 48, man. "48" is the correct answer. I asked about this missing one. And it is like n into n plus 1 whole square. Can you see that? Okay, right. I will tell this again. Just observe it carefully. It is a simple thing. You can see the first one is 1 into, first I am taking number 1 into 2 square. Next one is 2 into 3 square. If you write one below the other, you will understand that I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this. And here 1 plus 1, 2 square. Next one is 2 plus 1, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, and so on. Now you multiply. This is the pattern that is followed here in this. Is it clear now? I hope all of you understood this. Very good. Fantabulous. అందరికీ ఇది అర్థమైందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. Now let us go for the next one. So 1, 2, 6, 15, 31. What will be the next one? 1, 2, 6, 15, 31. Next number. Yes, try the next one. Yeah. Why? Here you can see this is into 2. Next, this is into 3. Is it you are following? In what way you can say that it is 62? Can you tell me the reason? Why it is 62? Why do you think that it is 62? No, is it for everything, right? What you are doing is every time you are thinking about the relation between last two, but it should be applicable for all the numbers. Square plus number. Okay, 1 square plus 1, 2. 2 square plus 2, 6. 3 square plus 3. Then what you are getting? 9 plus 3, 12 you are getting. But square plus number you said. Is it satisfying here? Check. 4 square plus 4 is 20. In what way it is tallied here? Square plus before number. Here some of you are saying 31 into 2. Remember that 31 into 2 means it should be applicable for all the numbers, not for only the last number. Just check it once. Somewhere you are still missing that. Why? Okay, you are giving 30, 39 different answers you are giving, but you tell me the logic in that. What is the logic that is followed there? Maybe it is 28, maybe 30, maybe 39. Don't focus more and more on the answer. What is the logic you apply? Tell me. Logic behind that. I did not give any answer, man. Just I told you people to try. This is not correct. I am saying I have shown that the argument that is given by you is incorrect. Yeah, I can see some of the things like interesting. Let me see. Some of you are saying 1 into 2, 2 into 3, something like that. 1 plus 2, 3 into 2, 6 into 2, 12 plus 3. No, this is somewhere, it is wired. It can't be something like that. it can't be like this. Some of you are writing like 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 6 into 2 plus 3 plus 1, 31 into 2. It cannot keep on changing like that. Whatever the rule you are following, it should be unique. You cannot keep on changing the logic in that. I'm not saying that this is correct. This is not valid. That is what I'm trying to tell you. I have shown you that this logic, whatever you applied here, it is not applicable. Okay. Jansi, you said it is 40. Can you give me the reason why it is 40? Even Ganesh typed 40 and Pavan, you typed 42. 56. Okay, don't just simply put the answer. I want the logic. Logic, what is the logic? I hope you people did not get this. Okay, I will show you. Here you can see for this number plus 1 square is added. For this number plus 2 square is added. For this number plus 3 square is added. For this plus 4 square is added, you observe. Whatever the number is given, for this plus 1 square is added. 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. That's how you reach the next number. Right? Again, for this plus 2 square is added. 2 square is 4, 4 plus 2, 6. That's how you reach this. Right, Kirtana, I observed that you are saying 2 into 3 plus 3, but all of a sudden you cannot change the logic. Here you can see whatever the logic we are applying, we are continuing throughout. 3 square is 9, 6 plus 9 is 15. 4 square is 16, 15 plus 16 is 31. So next, what to do? Plus 5 square is to be added to this. 5 square is 25. So 31 plus 25. Yes, 56 is the correct answer for this. I hope all of you understood this. Means remember that whatever the logic you are applying, it should be the same throughout. For one number taking one pattern and for another number taking another pattern, it is not correct. Throughout, you have to follow the same pattern. For all the numbers, I am following the same kind of pattern. Observe. Plus 1 square, plus 2 square, plus 3 square, plus 4 square. Yeah. What is 1 square? 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. Right? Now, simply what to do? First, you take number 1. For this, you add this. 1 plus 1, 2. You obtain the next number. Again, you take that number and for that you add this. You get the next number. Again, you take this number 6. This 2 is coming here. For that, I am adding this next square. Again, for this number, I am adding the next square. Okay. Again, for that, I am adding the next number. So for that, you have to add the next square. Next square is 25. That's how you get 56. Okay. Is it clear now? Yeah. Okay. Let us do one thing. Now I will give you some problems for tomorrow. Just you can try. I'm just copying some questions. You can try them like that. Okay, you try these problems for tomorrow. We will go for a few more problems in our next session. I hope all of you might have noted down these things. Yeah, you try those problems for tomorrow. Okay. I hope all of you understood whatever I tried to convey you. అంటే నేను చెప్పింది మీకు అర్థమైందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. మీరు ఏదైతే రూల్ తీసుకుంటున్నారో ఫోర్త్ వన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 36. మీరు ఏదైతే రూల్ తీసుకున్నారో అది అన్ని నెంబర్స్ కి అప్లై అవ్వాలి. అన్ని నెంబర్స్ కి అప్లై అవ్వాలి. అంతే తప్పితే ఒక 2 నెంబర్స్ కి ఒక పెయిర్ కో లేకపోతే ఒక దగ్గర 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేసి ఇంకో దగ్గర +3 చేసి ఇంకో దగ్గర -3 చేసి ఇలా కాదు. రైట్. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ ఉందా లేదా జస్ట్ వెయిట్, ఐ విల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్.